Hello, welcome back to our channel. The Invid Paramount DVR not only offers surveillance, remote connectivity and security, but also motion detection with remote alerts. Today we will be going over how to set up motion detection fields, as well as how to enable remote notifications on your mobile device. First, let's take a look at our DVR and the camera we want to set up our motion grid. This one here looks perfect for covering an entranceway. Let's go to the bottom left corner menu icon, then select Settings. Under the Camera category, you will see the Motion option. Here we will use this camera drop-down menu to select our designated camera, in this case, front right PTZ. Then we will click the Clear button. Now, using our mouse, we can click, hold and drag to create a motion detection grid. Click Apply at the bottom right to apply these settings. Now, let's move to activating the mobile notification using the Paramount CMS app. Select the top left-hand corner menu, then select Push Notifications and choose the DVR from the list. Here you can enable push settings to activate notifications. Scroll down until you see Motion. Click on the blue checkbox next to Motion to deselect all cameras. Then select only the camera with the updated motion grid, in this case, front right PTZ. To finalize the setting, use the Save button at the top right corner. Your remote notifications have been set.